Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. My wife has been very annoyed with this, so she'll be super happy. I am not doing any research. There is a hex wrench that we need, so let's take that off and see what's in there. So we only have these random hex wrenches around the house and they didn't fit, but luckily I remembered I have a computer building set and there is one that is perfect size. The toilet paper holder looks very simple. It's held in by tension and this little point there. This will be the easiest video of all time. I thought it was gonna be more complicated, but I think I just tighten this. Make sure that's eyeball level. Still wiggly a little bit. Let's see if we can get more. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Video 90 done.